Okay, now, this is the top of a bamboo. You see that?
Mm-hmm.
It's just a big point.
Right.
And here's another one. Isn't this amazing?
Yeah.
You just come out of the ground like a big point. And there's
Hi.
another one there.
How you
Hi.
guys?
Good.
Good.
Don't know if it's able to see it. And here's another one.
Mm-hmm.
Just a point. And there's one right by your foot there, Willem. Right over here.
Oh yeah, right.
What? Yeah, there's a lot of them. And this is one here. Yes, yeah, there's some. That one's broken off, but this is just one coming out of the ground.